Hello, my name is Taryn Coleman, and I will be your child's teacher this year. In this video, I would like to teach you how to use the app I want the kindergartners to use this year. I want you to learn it just in case your child asks you a question about how to use it. The name of the app I want them to use is called Sight Words Reading Games ABC. From what I've seen, it should be an easy game to figure out. You can download this app on an iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, or a Mac. I want them using this app so they can have an enjoyable assignment and not have all assignments on paper. That can get boring. They can see this assignment as more of a game, and this will be great practice for them. When they first get on the app called Sight Words Reading Games ABC, they will first need to press the play button, and it looks like a pink circle with a white arrow in the middle of it. After they select that, it will bring them to the part where the student will select their player or play as a guest. How they create themselves as a player is by selecting a blank square, and it will take them to the part where they select an icon. After they select an icon, they will then have to put their name in the white rectangle that has Enter Your Name above it. Once they are finished with that part of the app, they then press the play button again. After they press the play button again, it will take them to a place in the app where it has different options and squares, such as the middle square at the bottom of the screen. All the squares are locked, but not the word machine. The other options are locked because it costs money to use them, but I only need the kindergartners to practice the word machine. I will now let you know what the word machine does. The word machine says a word, and your child has to press a word at the bottom of the screen that matches with the word being said. Thanks for watching.